This one got hit down the side, some rocker panel damage. So I have a Honda Accord here. This one got hit down the side. It's getting 2 new doors. Then it has some rocker panel damage right here, stuffed in pretty good. I'm gonna have to weld a couple tabs on here probably in order to bring that out. And then there's a little repair on the quarter panel. So I'm gonna go ahead and start working the metal out and get the metal roughly to shape, and then I'll fit the doors on it. So now there's a bottom line where this kind of rolls under it here that's stuffed pretty good. And I got a different tool out for this. I'm gonna put keys across here and I'll show you how this is done. Alright, I got both of these doors fitting good, gaps look good, quarter panel's all fixed up. I'm going to go ahead and put a glaze coat on this rocker panel. I wanted to make sure this gap was correct through here to the door before I put my final coat on it, but it looks good, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that and finish this one out. So the bottom of this rocker panel gets a chip guard right to about here, and I have to reapply that all the way across the bottom of this rocker because the area I repaired is all smooth now, and I'm going to tape it off and I'm just going to go all the way across so it's nice and consistent all the way across the bottom of the rocker.